Look at that. You see it? It's right in the sun. Ah! My heel just hit a cactus. I'm in my sandals. You see that? You probably can't. I'll have to come up here when the sun's in a different spot. So this is where I ended up after being evacuated from the campground. I'm about an hour south of Albuquerque. I drove a couple hours to get here. I had scouted this place out on freecampsites.net. I wanted to check it out anyway, so I came here. It was windy. The first night I didn't get hardly any sleep. It was so loud. Hey, good girl. So this is the Cibola National Forest, and it's a beautiful, amazing, peaceful spot. It's a dispersed camping site. It's got a sign that it's dispersed camping. Cibola National Forest is kind of weird. I got kicked out of a spot that I have been camping at on and off, since I've been coming into New Mexico, since I bought the RV, and a ranger came by just a couple weeks ago, told me, yeah, you can't camp here. You can only camp in the Sandia district. You can only camp where there's a fire ring. And most of the places that have fire rings, I can't fit. She's a busy girl. She's a very busy girl. So this is a beautiful treat to be able to have such wide open space that I'm allowed to camp in Cibola National Forest. And it's really, really far out there. There's nothing out here. It's very remote, and it's lovely. You can hear the birds. The only problem is there's no cell signal whatsoever. I can get a little tiny bit if I walk up the road a quarter mile and stand in one spot at certain times of the day. I can get enough of a cell signal to send texts, and that's it. It's been nice. I've stayed here 2 nights. I decided, what the heck, it's such a beautiful spot. I can be offline for one day. There goes my little girl. She's in a hurry. A little bit of water down there. A stream that this time of year should have more water in it. Has hardly any. So she's going to get back all muddy. Did you get a drink? It's so pretty, so peaceful. The winds were so strong the first 24 hours I was here that I moved my rig away from those trees. I was right underneath them, right there. And those trees, especially on the right-hand side, were really kind of worrying me. Just because they don't look all that healthy. So I moved. Although, from this angle, it looks like I'm not much safer. But the direction the wind was going, I felt safer here, so... You little mousey. I'm gonna get you. Get it. Get it. 'Cause 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 My goodness. If I never had to work for a living, I'd stay here. Seriously. If I didn't have to work, I would stay here. So, I'm heading out today, and I'm gonna try to find someplace safe. All right, I'll see you soon. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate your kindness. I appreciate you watching and sharing my videos. I'm just so honored that you're here, and it means just the world to me that I get to share my life and make it my life's work. So thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Be safe. Give your loved ones a big fat hug. Be kind. Be free. Be happy. See you soon.